Hi everyone, I'm gonna be doing the Wet n Wild Snoopy, aka Peanut collection. I'm gonna use all Wet n Wild products. First with the primer, I haven't tried that. I think it's the glass something primer. And excuse my hair, I just had a haircut. I just used my finger to spread it all over my face, and it looks so dewy, almost oily. Maybe because I put too much. And excuse the hair. Yeah, it's a glass like, if you want to look glowy and dewy. It's okay. I mean, it ended up looking good. Just too much. I just put too much. And then I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation. And it's a little dark. So I'm going to use a concealer incognito, which is a little lighter to even out my skin. I didn't use the Snoopy sponge, because like I said, I don't want to use it because it's limited edition. I just want to collect that. See, that's the concealer. That's actually my shade. The foundation I use is just too dark for me. If you notice, my hands are lighter than my face because the foundation is a little dark. So I'm gonna add more to even out my skin. Excuse my voice, always been like this. So I'm just blending it with a sponge. And I'm gonna use the translucent powder by Snoopy. It's exactly the same as Photo Focus. They just changed the packaging and the brushes that goes with it. That's why I'm wearing my Snoopy hoodie, because it's Snoopy. The brush is really soft. I love it. It's good, I said. See, it's really nothing new. It's exactly the same powder as the Photo Focus. And I'm using that brown eye pencil by Wet n Wild. It's been a while since I did makeup, so I'm just not used to it anymore. So I think I need to practice more. I should do more makeup. I used to be so passionate about it, I just lost it. Looking for a brush to blend it. And then I'm going to use my favorite brow kit, the Wet n Wild. See, it's almost gone. I still have a lot of backup of those. I have Anastasia, I have Kat Von D, I have all those expensive ones, but I always go back to that. I really love that one. And I'm going to use that brow gel by Wet n Wild. Like I said, I'm going to use all Wet n Wild products. I'm really going somewhere when I filmed this, so I didn't get to do the makeup that I really wanted. So I'm gonna do another separate video using the potential of the palette, cause I just want to keep it simple since I'm going somewhere. That's the palette. It's not bad, but it's not good too. It's not that good, but it's workable. So I tried to use the lightest one, but it's not doing anything. Still looks like my skin. I barely see any changes. So I tried to use the other brown one. It's a little patchy, it's really hard to work with that. I mean, probably because I'm in a rush because I'm going somewhere. See, I keep cleaning the edges because there's so many fall out. And something went inside my eyes too. So I'm going to use that. Actually, when I apply this, it's not as dark as the one on what you see. It's not that dark. That's why I was shocked when I saw it on the phone. I was like, what? But it's not that exaggerated in person. I was just surprised that it's too much when I look at it, but in person it's not really that much. I'm gonna try to do a more Christmas look on that one since I think it looks like a holiday collection. The eyeliner that I'm gonna use for this one is exactly like the Heartbreaker one, so I didn't bother to open my Snoopy one because I know it's exact as the powder. The powder is exactly the photo focus loose powder in translucent. Same goes with the eyeliner that I was gonna use. It's the same as the Heartbreaker eyeliner. That one is really good. It's really shimmery and popping. See, I'm glad it's a Snoopy packaging, but it looks like it's exactly that same eyeliner. Because I still have a lot of backup of those, and it looks like the same packaging. You just change it to Snoopy theme. Excuse my voice because I'm really tired. Like I just got home. So, excuse me. Or actually, voiceover put me to sleep, which I really find it boring. And I don't want to put music when I do video because they're gonna have copyrights. So I'm using that eyeliner, which I really don't like. Because after I cleaned up my face with the Pond's Cold Cream, I use it with the micellar water. I wash my face. The glitter is still all over my eyes. So personally, I'm not into glitter, so I really didn't like it. As you can tell on my face, I don't like it. And then I'm gonna use the blush. I didn't bother to um, use the highlighter because, like I said, I was going somewhere. I don't wanna look like I overdo or overdid my makeup. So I pass on the highlighter, but I'm sure it's good because Wet n Wild makes good eyeliner. And the curl lash, it's really painful when I squeeze it, the metal on that eyelash curler really hurts, and you have to press it so many times before you see. Yeah, it didn't even do anything. So I was upset with that. It looks so cheap. And I want to try the red lipstick, but it's too red. I was like, oh my god, it doesn't go with the eyeshadow that I did. So I wipe it off. I decided to go with the shade Charlie Brown, which I love. I ordered another one because I really love that shade. See, it toned down the look. So that's it. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna tell you whether I like it or not. No. That one, it's okay. It's okay. It's good. The brushes are good. The eyeliner is good. The eyeliner is not. So anyway, that's it. Bye.